Tired of pet hair? This robot vacuum is a game changer. Is pet hair taking over your home? Discover a hands-free cleaning solution that tackles even the toughest messes. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is a self-emptying robot vacuum designed for busy homeowners and pet parents. It uses smart navigation to avoid obstacles like pet waste and charging cords. This Roomba empties itself for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for months. It also learns your cleaning habits and suggests personalized cleaning schedules. The Roomba J7 Plus has powerful suction to lift pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its unique POOP, Pet Owner Official Promise, guarantees it will avoid pet waste. Precision vision navigation allows it to identify and avoid obstacles in real time. You can even control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. The Roomba J7 Plus has mixed feedback. Some users praise its ease of use and smart mapping. Others mention issues with noise and price. Ready to reclaim your free time and enjoy a cleaner home? Check out the Roomba J7 Plus on Amazon today. See the product details and customer reviews on the Amazon product page. Don't wait, get yours now.